Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Fundamental Analysis of Stocks. Today I am going to talk about one of the fundamentally strong company named as IRCTC. The full name of IRCTC is Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. It is a Mini Ratna company incorporated in the year 1999. The objective of the company is to upgrade its catering and hospitality services. The first one in the business model is mobile catering. Here, onboard catering services are provided in 500 plus passenger trains. Then the second one is static catering. In this, refreshment rooms, Jan Ahar and cell kitchens are made on the railway platforms for serving hygienic foods. Then comes the hospitality services to provide the railway passengers space to relax. Retiring rooms, executive lounges have been created in the stations. The next one is e-catering services. This is the service through which passengers can book food from the partner restaurants, of which some of the major brands are Domino's Pizza, Haldiram's, Biryani Blues, Subway, etc. etc. This service was started in March 2021, but due to COVID-19, this was halted. After the lockdown, passenger trains resumed the service and ready-to-eat meals and pre-cooked meals were allowed on train. The company has 287 fast food units, 176 number of refreshment rooms, 56 Jana Ahar and 17 cell kitchen. 57% revenue of the company comes from internet ticketing, 29% from catering, 7% from drinking water called Rail Neer and rest 7% from tourism. If we talk about the competitive strength of the company, the biggest thing we can see is that it is the only authorized company for online railway ticket booking and catering services for railway passengers. The company's website and mobile application constituted over 79% of the booking during COVID-19 pandemic. The company is increasing its hospitality services and also delivering packaged drinking water named as Rail Neer at the railway station. IRCTC is debt-free company, which is a very good thing for a company. The biggest thing is that the company has no competitors at all now. Now let us discuss about some of the new initiatives taken by the company. The company is starting its new business segment of bus seat booking for online bus booking services. The IRCTC bus service incorporated 50,000 plus bus operators covering 22 states and 3 union territories including Kashmir region. In hotel booking, it has integrated with hotel chains, inventory providers and state government houses. Further, it has developed many schemes such as loyalty scheme for Tejas Train, IRCTC SBI co-branded credit card, etc. The key risk involved is pandemic risk as seen during COVID-19. Another thing is that the company's business and its revenue are dependent on the policies of the Ministry of Railways. So any policy change may affect the revenue of the company. As we know, this is the only authorized company by the railways to book railway tickets. But who knows, when the government of India or Ministry of Railways won't open up the market for other companies like this. And if such thing happens, then the market monopoly of the company will be lost. The current chairman and managing director of the company is Srimati Rajni Hasija, who has experience over 29 years in railways. Now let us look at the financial of the company. The market capitalization of the company is 65,592 crores, so it is a large cap company. The net profit, ROCE percentage, etc. has increased over the past years except the financial year 2021. due to the pandemic situation, which had very bad impact on the business. The debtor days has also increased and the promoter stake has also decreased. Though the financials are not in support for this year, but it is recovering and it is hoped that the company will surely come up all these things after the pandemic situation. This video is meant for investors only and not for traders. Also, this video is for educational purpose only, and do your own research and take advice from your financial advisor. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video. Bye.